We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend.
Well, Chef Boy B Hill here, you know. Easy is not an option. Don't forget that. Callie over here making a mess. Got a towel on the ground. Bones. Say what's up, Callie. Okay, well, she don't want to talk. You know, I'm about to cook breakfast. I do it all. I can cook, I can sing, I can dance. You know, but cooking probably my specialty. I'm about to make some egg and sausage. Whatever these called, English muffin sandwiches. So stay tuned to see how I do my thug thizzle, you know, see if I can cook or not, you feel me? Just watch. 1, 2. Hey. It tastes better than it look. I'm gonna put something on.
You want to sit out here, babe?
Yeah, we can. No elevator? No elevator?
Look, I think it's broken.
Where we headed?
The museum.
Hopefully.
I feel like Beyonce in here, y'all. Y'all remember Me, Myself, and I video?
It's too dark.
Well,
What's up, vlog people? I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know that we love y'all. You know, thanks for watching this vlog. You know, anything you want to say?
yes, we love y'all. Thanks for all y'all support. We are gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna let y'all know when we reach our 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, that's right. And
okay?
cut. Not just playing.
We're gonna let y'all know when we reach 1,000 subscribers because I'm gonna do a big giveaway, okay? Because at 1,000 subscribers, we can start getting that coin. So make sure y'all watch and subscribe to this channel if y'all wanna be in the giveaway. Because I'm gonna help somebody else start their own YouTube channel. And I'm gonna get y'all right, so no worries, okay?
No worries, okay? About to head to the museum if we got time. You know, we running late, per usual.
I know we said
we was
in our
gonna
goal
change
video,
that, but
vision board.
we like being late. We like living on the edge a little bit, you know?
I don't. It give me anxiety.
Let's start this car up. This Benz I got holding up.
How y'all feel about having, like, people saying they got anxiety? It seems trendy right now. I know people got it. Either people didn't realize what it was in the first place. And so now they like, dang, I have that. Like, and we just educating ourselves more.
Knowledge is power.
Yeah, we educating ourselves more as people. So now we like, dang, I got that. Or it could just be like, I'm anxious.
I've been anxious since G1, you feel me? He told me what that meant.
It's 10.
Hey!
Where you been?
Uh-huh.
Did you get my message? Your expression is telling me that you've been thinking the same thing. Same thing I've been thinking. The same working.
Hey!
Will hit me just as soon as your shift is over.
That's why girls be getting anxious nowadays. It's the thirsty dude who's when you
Will hit me as soon as you get
right,
off.
like
Hit my phone.
let girl live a little bit. She can take a shower and chill.
He just said hit him up when as soon as their shift is
She don't even like
over.
old buddy. He talking about he anxious and stuff. 11:30. I love it when you're talking dirty, cause I'm
Okay, the museum closing an hour, so
oh, we out
let's
this
go.
joint.
Should I call and ask them how long it takes to walk through?
So, what museum is this, babe?
Forgot. Orange County Museum of Art.
We're at the Orange County Museum of Arts. It ain't really too much of a museum, really. It's different. But, yeah. It's cool, though. Hey, ain't this different?
Yeah.
Huh. But yeah.
Won't be nothing to look at.
This the jacket Jasmine got me for my birthday, and I'm gonna wear it to death, so don't even say nothing. Cause you're gonna see it in about 3-4 more videos.
I'm giving you a black thing.
From New York.
This is pretty cool. I'm gonna get the audio too. Hello, what is this image?
Wanna go to the mall after this or no?
No.
You ain't feeling that today?
Maybe we'll see. I want a steak or something. Where we go to that restaurant?
We're about to eat good tonight.
Look, we're back with the jacket.
Capital 30. Alright. Same fit. Did you just come back with the same fit, y'all? Like, you wasn't gonna notice.
Yeah, I just realized that's literally the same.
Yes.
Probably be one outfit, he gonna wear that.
Man, what should I wear the fit today?
I'm gonna give you some stuff. Wait till I get a little check.
Are you hear me?
Fit number 1 and number 2 today.
Try to show him what the fit want. Yeah, that'd be cute. Alright, cool. I can still wear the Timbs. Yeah.
That's cool. Like, where is it? Look, like, where is that image? Like, where? How?
Can you see? Yeah, okay. So you can turn in any direction, but don't move very far away from the wall. He just started.
I'm okay. That's fine. She's gonna go. Yeah. Have you done it? No, I haven't. But I don't think that thing is gonna work with my hairstyle.
Sure.
You see, it lay flat on your head like that. I can't put it on.
Take that off.
Just, yeah, like let that go as loose as we want.
Oh, okay.
Hold it up.
Yeah. Oh,
Look, now I like to look back and be like, that was fun. I know y'all can't see the picture because our head in the way, but here. Look, y'all, we get into the black artwork. I will walk faster, but Langston Hughes, here we go. Everybody got a picture like this in their house. This is called In the Heart of the Black Belts. This is from 1917, I think. Y'all see what it is. Y'all already know what it is.
y'all know why we here.
Y'all know why we're here. Y'all know what we're here for. Y'all know why we do what we do and where we at. Hangers. What we getting?
Some hangers.
Some hangers. And possibly some of those Cinnabites. It's bright outside, y'all. He got purple hair too. Fuchsia. And she has a huge beanie. All right, y'all. We at Ikea home furnishings, so we'll speak with y'all a little later. We'll show y'all what's going on. I'm gonna do our patio like this, maybe. This is such a nice little cute vibe. All you gotta do is buy this little thing, get some fake shrub. Look, it's only $24, $25. Get a couple of lights, a couple of tea light candles, a couple of plants. It's nice. And I like this living room right here. It's very like farmhouse, modern chic. I love looking at this stuff. And I like the color scheme, like the gray, the white tans, and the blacks. That's kind of trendy right now. Alright, here y'all, we just left Ikea. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that we got. Nothing crazy, a little quick Ikea haul. Okay, we got some hangers. These are pretty good, nice sturdy ones. They look good in the closet. We're trying to get our closet right. Sorry, Bronson, making all that noise. Can you close the door?
Is it like going?
Oh, anyway, so we got some hangers. We got this lamp here. It's just like a white LED lamp. It's like a desk lamp. We're gonna put this on our desk at home. We got sorry y'all, this bag, me and Bronson ain't gonna help me bring it so I can make this video a little more.
I'm sorry. I don't know what you want me to do.
It's okay, I'm gonna grab a couple things. We got a kitchen rug, it's gray. I can't show y'all, it's too heavy. But let me show y'all this one thing we got.
A fern. That what it's called, a fern?
Okay, and then we also got this, a nice little cute plant. We're gonna put this in our kitchen. Like, I like the vase, ain't this cute? Look at it. And it's gonna come out like this. I'm gonna set this in the kitchen. You buy these two separate. I don't know if she charged me for both or not. Maybe she did, but I had it like this. Cute, right? Okay, and we also got some hooks. I forgot about those.
They just looking lover.
We got these little things. They're like hooks for your curtains, like in your living room, bedroom, or stuff. Oh, we didn't get them for the bedroom, Bronson.
Oh dang.
Anyways, Bronson, he never think, but we got these black ones, hooks for the curtains. So we're gonna do some little home decor this weekend.
Hey,
Get our apartment right.
What's our church called? Second Baptist Church?
Yeah. But yeah. All right, y'all. So we about to go out to eat. We here at this restaurant. We'll show y'all a big catch. About to go throw down. Ready, babe?
Yeah.
So yeah, we about to go and how my makeup? Is it holding up? Kinda. We about to go into Big Catch and throw down and eat some Asian food, some Chinese food or something. I guess it's Chinese food, right? It's a seafood house. I'll probably get some seafood or something. But I'll catch y'all in there. Cause I seen it said live lobster down there and I was like, that lobster ain't doing nothing. Oh, sorry, Mr. Lobster, I'm gonna eat you. Come on, man. Huh? Oh, you okay? He's like, I got my monster. I was telling Bronson that's not how relationships work. You can't just leave out of it when you want to. If I'm still in a relationship, we still in a relationship, period.
I want out. I want out.
Anyways, guys, we're having a great date night. We're at Big Catch Seafood House. I'm doing dry January, so no alcohol, wine, or sake for me.
Oh, that's why you're not getting nothing?
What?
Should I get something?
Yeah.
Should I get sangria?
Yeah, you can get a little drink.
Man, you can have a cheat day.
That sangria is pretty good.
Sangria, sangria.
Why would I cheat myself? Come on now. Okay, I'll hit y'all back when I find something good to eat. Okay, y'all, so this is the beef lo mein. Looking pretty good. A lot of meat. Bronson got the orange chicken. You know, black people order orange chicken everywhere. And we got the wonton. And I think we got some shrimp fried rice coming. So I'll show y'all. Maybe.